Over at the passenger side, you can take the tire off if you want to. I don't think you have to do that. I've gotten it off before without taking the tire off here. I've got my tire off today because I'm trying to actually take off this bolt here. This is the crankshaft pulley here, and the belt that we're going to be taking off is right here. And so let's go up to where the alternator is at. Alternator, this vehicle is on the passenger side right here, and here is that belt. Let's call that the alternator drive belt, I guess. Before taking mine off, I'm just feeling it because I like the way the tightness on it, the way it's adjusted already. So I'm just kind of remembering how that's going to be when I put it back on. Also looking at the configuration, so it goes from the alternator pulley here just down to the pulley I just showed you. The crankshaft pulley there goes right over that. Also, it goes under. Let me get a light here. So yeah, the belt just goes under, and it goes under the air conditioner pulley, which is right here. Let's try to get a right here. Hopefully you can see that. So pretty simple configuration for this belt. First thing I need to do is go ahead and disconnect the negative battery cable there. Next, I'm going to grab a wrench on this pivot bolt here. Right there. And I believe that is a 15 millimeter. The sun is very bright here, so it's kind of hard for me to see what I'm filming, but I've got the wrench on the bolt. It is 15 millimeter, and I was able to break it there, so I'm just going to loosen it up. And then we can move on to the next step. I don't believe I have to take it all the way off. So I'll get right back. See the other end of it right there, maybe. And it's loosened. So next I'll go to the what's called the pinch bolt. That is the bolt right here. Right there. We'll loosen that up. That tightens this adjustment bolt right here. So yeah, we got to loosen that. I'm not sure what that is yet, but I'll let you know. I think it might be a 12. Okay, I've got the wrench on. That is a 12 millimeter. Alright, I'm going to continue to loosen that. I think my wrench may be broken. Well, yeah, I'm just going to loosen that up a little more and I'll get right back. So now with the pinch bolt loosened, I've got a couple extensions here. I'm using that same 12 millimeter socket, going to the adjustment bolt that you see right there, and we're going to loosen that. Now that we have that pinch bolt loosened, we can make an adjustment here on the belt. So I'm going to take this same 12 millimeter socket. I've got two extensions here, and I'm just dropping it on that adjustment bolt here. So in my case, I'm going to be loosening the belt, so I'm going to be turning it counterclockwise, or loosening the bolt here. And I can just check with my other hand from time to time until it's loosened. enough so that I can take it off the pulley. If you don't want to take the belt off and you're just trying to tighten it or loosen it, this is the bolt you're going to be looking at. So it's really slack now. Okay, I just felt of the other end of the bolt. I wanted to make sure that I didn't take it all the way out, and it's very long, so I've got a long ways to go. And I don't want to take it out because I don't really have to get the belt off. You can see how loose it is already. And I don't really want to take it out because it may not be so easy to get back in. At this point, another thing I could do is just push this alternator up a little bit. That may not be so easy. I may have to like find a 2x4. Let's see, I think I can do it with my hand here. Alright, so I think I'm going to be able to belt has ribs on it, so I'm going to take my time and continue to loosen this so that I'll have a little more space there. Get right back. Okay, with the adjustment bolt loosened just a little more, I'm going to try to pull it off again here. Okay, it is off. Okay, it dropped down. Now I can just kind of finagle it here and bring it out the top or the bottom. Since we're up here, let's go ahead and just pull it out. It's underneath the air conditioner, so I need to get it right through there. Alright, at this point I can change this out. Check for cracking. I just needed this off so that I can adjust or take that bolt off there for another procedure. But yeah, once the belt is off, I want to replace this. I will take this to the auto parts store and make sure that it matches up with the ribs here. Match up, you know, same amount of ribs, just to make sure that I get the right belt. So that's pretty much it for taking this alternator drive belt or accessory belt off. Putting it on is in reverse. Just place it back on and start turning it to the right to tighten the belt on. Once I get it where I want it, then I will tighten this pinch bolt here, which is right under the adjustment bolt. I showed you that. Right there. And once the pinch bolt is tightened, to finish up, I'll just retighten the pivot bolt here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a great day and take care.